out of my life. I don't owe you that. As much as my life, you have your life, I really do not owe you that. As much as you want me to have this conversation with you, I want to have this conversation with you about a very sensitive part of my life, a very crucial part of my life, about my very essence, that I'm not willing to share with anyone. It's not by right, but you must have your part by me. I find not decent enough to get. Blood is not thicker than water when it comes to these situations. If you can't uphold Leo value from the get-go, I won't understand it, or when I'm ostracize or kick it out to be my biggest op. Then it's child msali, then honestly ipela. Some people, yes, about queer, they come back, maybe a bit, you did not know how to love me also, but I still crave attention, or no man, not crave attention, but have that healthy relationship now inside. Because and I realized that no, we did not understand each other. That's fine, it's by their grace. Because now they've become so comfortable in themselves, they think no, we can build our thing. Because that's not common see it didn't understand as I look. But LGBTI community members and Babona Party, they are not activists. They don't come up with
abantu abaningi bakhala ngokuthi ugrinder usubulela abantu abaningi, kodwa futhi ukudaleka kagrinder kwangeyona inhloso yokuthi kubulawa abantu ngaphansi kwawo, kwakuyikuthi ama-gays ekwazi ukuthi ahlangane khona. Ungathini ngogrinder, yini ongasixoxela nogrinder noma ngokwazi kwakho wena?
Okay. Personally, I feel like Grindr or Fana, like every other social media that's out there, a way of people to connect, chat, and do whatever openly without criticism, because Vele, it's a queer space for LGBTQ plus people, specifically male or SM leaning people. So, mind the whole controversial Grindr, a lot of people, mostly people that are not queer, solely in the space because they've heard about it, bangena to explore whatever sexual fantasies, whatever isn't abafuna sense, just to appease themselves sexually or their desires. So nabangena kuleso space, it kind of shifted into the core of it, which was supposedly a dating site, basically.
Yeah.
It's more very heavily sexualized. Nakhona phela isilisa vele ngoba isilisa sesithanda ucansi, gay men included, bisexual men included. It's gonna be sexual value. So they catered for Leo Part Leo, and then in that doing so, a lot of queer people, a lot of gay people, hurt, broken, or have not experienced life fully outside being in the closet, harassed, etc. That they've never been able to live freely, happily. From the get-go, locus it's common. So, nagunjalo, a lot of people profit, exploit that. You crave tension, you crave sexual intimacy. So, bani, random criminal, hey, I really like you, I wanna see you. Ngobozoya cause uswele that intimacy, and then became a very common place for crooks, even gay people themselves that rob other gay people themselves. It became a very common space for that whole thing to happen. So, for me personally, it can happen for every other app. It's just go to Instagram, Facebook, and it's not catered to specific demographic of people. So agulula velu uzo scammer noma hijack noma do whatever kwabanye abantu. With queer space, it's specifically uzofika queer people, gay people, bisexual people, and vele kunale stereotype ukuthi gay people have money, gay people have no money. Mina nginamali, ngicane ngiphi imali. Yeah, so I feel like that's my take on Grindr. It's not, honestly, I don't really care much for that app, putting I defender, no more criticize it. It's just an app like every other app on my phone. So
why kuthiwa abantu abagay banemali isuka phi lonto mhlawumbe ungacabanga cause kuna nokukhuluma ukuthi kwaye kwasola kathi mhlawumbe bayaholelwa kodlela baholelwa ngayo ukuthi bagay abanye kwathiwa badayisa isidoda sabo ukuze benze imali mhlawumbe.
That's interesting.
izinto esiyikhuluma masingabafana sindawo ukuthi nayi imali iphethwe ngaphesheya uma ungasichazela mhlawumbe into kanjani khona into enjalo.
Don't quote me, don't fact check me on that one. Lasizwe moneyed. Somizi moneyed. Sesofela labo ukuthi they are very moneyed and they are queer and they are proud. Benza imali so nina nasimu ukuthi sinemali. Jokingly ngasho ukuthi phela ni spend imali emantombazaneni kana we are men, so spend emantombazaneni si spend on ourselves. So mhlawumbe nibona self care person ethi sinemali. So it's
okay.
Not really much.
Uhlelo lolu esikulona how I discovered myself. Ngasithola kanjani ukuthi mina ngilolu hlobo elomuntu. Sifuna indlela okhule ngayo, sifuna ukuqhathanisa mhlawumbe nakwabanye ukuthi abone mhlawumbe izimpawu kumntwana wakhe uma ekhulu ukuthi hawu nazi lezi impawu kwakhulunywa ngazo ku-NT91 TV ngiyibona lapha okungenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe nami ngithole umntwana ololu hlobo kanje. Uma nje ungasinika i-background yakho mhlawumbe ukubhulishwa ubumukeleke kanjani emphakathini ekhaya ngesikhathi mhlawumbe ubatshela uzobhoboka ubatshela ukuthi wena uhlobo luni lomuntu bakwemukela kanjani abazali bakwemukela kanjani abafowenu umphakathi wona wakwemukela kanjani.
Okay. All right. Hi. My name is Sandiseni Mandela, Sandy for short, because I like Sandy. I identify as a queer person. I use they them pronouns. So, let's see. I grew up a very comfortable and a very comfortable lifestyle, and majority of my queer upbringing doesn't fit the mold nor relate to what generally is the queer upbringing. I personally never felt the issue of coming into my own. It just became natural for me because I was so assertive about who I am, what I want in life from a very young age. So it wasn't an issue for me. I grew up in a very small town. Shout out to Pongolo. So I attended my primary there. And for the most part, as a queer person growing up in primary, for me, it was a very slow and very much no pressure. I was a child. I was doing child things, playing, having fun with friends, etc., etc. And believe it or not, I used to like playing soccer. So I just grew out of it completely somewhere along the line. But I did like playing soccer in primary, I remember that much. Not much happened to primary. There's honestly no significant part in Ashutio. I was challenged here by my sexuality, being called. I think there were times where when I was growing up, I heard that name, Tibing Beza Staban. That time, it didn't offend me, but it also didn't, make me feel seen or powered. I felt very numb to that word at the time. I was like, I don't get it. Is it because maybe I'm too soft? No, I'm not outspoken or whatever, but I was a child, so I was just a child. It would hurt me this day, following day, I'm overrated, I'm playing games or I'm whatever, doing whatever. I was a child then. It only started making an impact on me in high school. Because guy boarding school, Shoei High, Workside boarding school at that time. So Ngang Border, and most of the time you'd think I would be living the time of my life in Naban Bislisa. Babona daily, and it did nothing for me in the most part because I'm such a personality person that abafana bayanisebenzisa so noma ngakubona umuntu phambi kwami nangayishaya njengawe akenze ngicabanga ngisho ngilele. So for the most part, high school was a very confusing upbringing because I had to interact with people that are not queer. As I was queer, I didn't explicitly expose good queer and I wanna do this and that. Ngiqhamuke emakhaya asophongolo, ngilahla kwi-Model C school. I had already much pressure. I didn't have time for sexuality, what. I just had to keep the ball up and study and do whatever and make parents proud, because I'm a great child. So, emva kwalokho, Parts where I did feel like I was being challenged sexually, where a lot of straight men would tend to playfully flirt with someone who's queer, but it had a lasting impact in me now. That one would tell you, what are we doing here? Because we are playfully flirting. You don't do this with your other friends, but you're doing it to me. Why? Such a confusing space to be in when they think, no, you're misreading things. I'm not misreading things. You are explicitly flirting with me, coming up close to my face, touching me. And I'm like, You don't do that with your straight friends. But at the time, when you're queer and you're young, these things just seem so childish, no more playful, no more. You don't really think it's deep. You're just like, yeah. But now when you've grown up and you're like, no, Yazin, that wasn't normal. No, that wasn't. I had a lot of those experiences. Some of them filtered through, some of them I didn't care about. Abani, Amani, I'm just like, High school was just me finding my voice, because I was still very shy. Grade 8, grade 9, I was still somewhat very shy. Grade 10, I think I started speaking more for myself, because I was 16, and they gave me this very comfortable life, very protective life, very hand life, and young pillar with parent figures about 3. My mother was very free-willed, very wild. She liked to take life on the risk. My grandma, somewhat strict, somewhat fun. She would be this person. And then my aunt was very strict. So being these ideals, I would three that were governing me. Who should I listen to? My grandma is somewhat strict, but she's fun. My mother's all fun. My aunt is strict. And then and I was like, can you get off my back? I want to make decisions for me, man. I had no plan whatsoever, but I think it was the first moment where it felt like, I have a voice, I'm speaking. But I said it. So I said it, and I was unapologetic about it. I think that's when the part I gained my self-awareness and self-confidence is when I spoke for myself. With no, I want to be me, make mistakes, be a child. So I'm fun, but I just want to have that option and not feel bad about it, because it would be my decision to make. But I didn't do that because I'm a good child. So, and then high school went, and nothing. I didn't date. I didn't even do anything sexually with anyone from primary, high school, first year army. Then varsity was something else. There was so much downtown varsity. You had a lot of time to play around with, to do whatever. And I was like, hey, there's this guy I was talking to back in like after matric, 2019. There's this guy I was talking to, like, he had these terminologies from me, Vomato, verse, and I didn't understand what any of those things meant. It was such a wild space to be in.
Mhlawumbe ungasibrekhela down lawo magama o ngokuhlukana kwawo ukuze mhlawumbe nomunye umuntu onenkinga yakho osemakhaya understand.
Oh my God. Ubuze umuntu wrong ke. I'm such a hater of lawo ma terms lawo.
But kungamsiza omunye umuntu.
Yeah, sure, yeah, true. In essence, it's mostly sexual roles that you take when pertaining to sexual intercourse. Example, if you are top, you are someone that likes to give. I'm not gonna say the word. I don't know. You like to give. Can I say it? Can I cross?
Akukhuluma lapha ku free. Kusekhaya.
Okay, so no phela bengihlabe ku rated PG what.
Yeah.
Okay. Like people that are top, they like to give dick. People that are bottom, they like to receive dick, and people that are versatile, they do both, give and take. So those were the terms that were there at the time. And this one person was like, no, when you're like a girl, and like, so you are a bottom. At that time, it didn't click to me. I was like, oh, I guess when Zoran Jenanga gay life, I'm not against it. I'm fine with it. And I identified as anything other than being me, mostly, for the most part. And I did not know this until I grew up and I realized that I've always been a me person, like me. Just show me a good time and be fun. That's all I want. I really don't care what's happening with your body, under your body, whatever you identify as. It's just as long as you keep me entertained, I keep you entertained. Yeah. So Liama Rosie, for the most part, I do not like them because they have this negative stigma. If you are a feminine presenting gay man,
Yeah.
you should play a role of what you are submitting or you are bottom, and that's not the case. And if you're a masculine presenting gay man, Nakona has this heteronormative perspective of what you want to be the dominant person, you are top, and that is not the case. You could be a very masculine presenting man, but you like taking dick, and there's nothing wrong with that. And you could be a very flamboyant crop top, skirt, high heels, makeup, nails, but you like giving dick. It's such a misconception, Leondo, and it really puts gay people into boxes. And I'm sorry to say, those boxes are very catered to straight people who understand how gay people work. They don't serve gay men any function whatsoever. Abanye abantu kuthi sona sifike Rumini and manje sesishayisana ezingqananani bottom. Phela that's for your hookup culture. I don't care for your hookup culture. Hookup culture has its own other things. It shouldn't take away from the normal dynamics of being a queer person and being able to live in your skin and experience queerness your way. Neninkinga senifuna ukusifaka kulama box of
sengathi manje kunemthetho
esigovernayo ukuthi no wena mele ube kanje noma kanje, but mina ngifuna ukuba nje kanje. I think that's also the part where I started to become more rebellious ngikhula evarsity, because banje ukuthi I should be bottom, and I was like, but mina all my life I've been living my life by my rules. Nakho senginamanye imithetho neminye imithetho engayizwa kahle. What would happen if I rebel? I've been doing it. And then I did. And I did it, and I was like, topping is not an issue.
Bottom in receiver.
Receiver. Bottom receiver, topping giver, verse wenza ku-2.
Kanti wena ukwenza ku-2 yini?
Oh, that's for lo mina ekwalona engilala naye. I'm very grateful for that one. I don't talk about that one. That is for Mtenjola na engilala naye to know. Abanye abantu they can mind their business on that one.
Okay, ususe varsity ke manje. Mawufike varsity bazokunika urooms.
Yeah.
Mawuthola urooms awuzikhetheli mawusafika usaqala.
True.
I think wathola umjida o straight.
I did.
Yeah. Ukuhlala nomjida o straight mhlambe wena usuyibonakalisile into hlobo luni lomuntu khona endlini anihlelisene kanjani noma nje kokuba usawubona nidlulana or nanihleli njengabantu abahleli endlini eyi1 uma wasichazela experience yaleyo nto leyo.
Shout out to Rumzamu Bravo. Like he was my first roommate and he was straight, and shouldn't go God's favorite because he was the nicest person ever. He was so welcoming to me, and he even asked me to do something similar to this. He was doing video editing on something ML, so he wanted me to be part of this music video, whatever. I must bring a partner to play this gay scene, whatever. And I was like, oh sure, why not? I don't know what even happened to that video. God forbids in a surface level video. So yeah, he was very open to these conversations. We would have these conversations, talk about these things honestly, but I know that's not the gay experience for everyone. Minavela, I was just lucky, fortunate enough that he was so understanding, open. I had my boundaries, he had his boundaries, and we worked well with those boundaries. No one overstepped anything, so it's fine. Wardrobe. So I wouldn't see him nangale, nam he wouldn't see me nangapha. So engagqoka enze noma yini kwenza ngapha nami igqoka enze noma yini kwenza singabonani at all. Sibonana nangizosa kuyena. It's okay, hey rooms unjani kanjani then stop. Then ngibuyela kwa side nami. So it wasn't really enforced to share this. It was somewhat still sihlukene.
Yeah.
I don't get to see you as much. Ngaphela nje 2 days ukuthi ngumuntu olala ngivuke ekseni ngihambe bentambama ngilala ngivuke ngambonanga as much. But you're still there. It was very much an experience. But I understand from the perspective of your question, abanye abantu they're thrust into this whole thing ukuthi uzoshare no rooms who's very much straight. Abanye abantu straight from emakhaya lento yokumesha ubutabane was taboo bekhula noma kwesonto taboo kwasho kwacima, and then they are forced to be in the spaces. Nama queer people now, they are forced to take it lama insults that awathola, these microaggressions abakhona izinto ezincane nje zokulokhu ukuthi nqaba ukuthi awu kodwa indoda enjani le kanjani ugqokani washo. These things happen, they do happen in Mares, and for the most part I don't have the experience to tell you what I've experienced such, because I didn't, because in Valoko I had a single room till manje share with another queer person, so I don't really have much to say on that one. But I know it's a negative experience where most people are available just taking the insults as they come, and they don't really want to say much because a lot of queer people do not like targets on their backs. As much as we're very out there, performative, just entertaining, but I see the pressure of being a target, hate and homophobia. So we just keep to ourselves. Sometimes we allow my outreach work, so post our social media that because it's a very cruel society out there.
Umuntu oqala owamdate kwakukuphi kwenze njani nedibana kanjani umuntu straight mhlawumbe uyacathamela uyakwhatsapp noma uthi mfethu awungiphi number yakho?
Oh my god, I hate such a screamer on Grindr now. That's crazy.
Ngathi Grindr ngathi wangathi baphelele Grindr.
Ne, phela it was a queer space because nami ngafika kuona uGrindr ngifika la. So first person I dated, I met through Grindr. God forbid. So we dated for a good 3 years.
13 years?
3.
Oh.
13 is crazy. 13 is crazy. Nangaki no medicines episodes got shabby. So we dated for a good 13 years. What did you want to know about that one?
Ukuhlangana kwakho uqala kwakho ukuvuma ukuthi manje usunenzotha.
Oh my god. It happened. I had been sentient about this whole things, gay lifestyle, masculine talk, what. So I think when we stage where I was appreciating men as they are, like feminine men, they were starting to appeal to me more and more. Very much ngidlula or my amajita looking straight acting or labababuwe ngathi amajita gays. Labo were losing the battle for me bese bewanje kumina bengibhora ngoba bonke bengathi bayinsiphe yodwa nje bafana nje bonke nje abahlukile nabantu aba straight bayangibhora nje. So laba abanye were starting to interest me more kwasho ukuthi ngizothola DM yakhe, and I was like, oh lalihle le yellow bone. Okay, we chat for a while kwasho kuzoba pride celebration live workshop at the time, and then I saw him. We chatted again. God, I hate manje ukuthi phela useyigolwa ngisamcabanga lapha. But okay. It was okay. It was a good interaction. Saxoxa, got to know each other. Started dating. I think 3 weeks from after Pride. Dated and it was just an experience. Shame. I don't have much to say on it. I don't want to say much about Leonto, but saying Leonto wasn't weird, honestly, for me, because I grew up thinking delusional. I see the world through my eyes, so nonke niphila istory sami, so main character of my story. So if I decide namuhla wakusasa, hey, what if I try being straight? Angekho zosho lutho waphandle kwami. Ningakhuluma nisho noma inikufuna, but ugcina usuku I see life through my eyes. So kuba nendoda and was like, ooh, I've never done this before. Let's see where this goes. And it went for 3 years on it, so clearly it was fun. Funny enough, for the first year I was dating it, we did not have sex.
Unyaka
wonke. So God forbid. But I'm what you guys call asexual for the most part. Sex to me doesn't really hold much. I don't care for it, honestly. Angivamisile nje kuyilandelela noma ukukhuluma ngalo. My friends nasilindeni bakhuluma ngalo nekocansi. I would engage 1, 2, 3 and then I'm completely out of it. I don't wanna be lapho in the room. I'll let them speak, but I have nothing to say on that matter. I'm very need to be on my phone until the topic changes. Really don't care for sex as much. But yeah, it took a while. When I say I don't care for sex, it doesn't mean that I'm repulsed by sex. It's just that sex is sex. I'm not crazy about it. I'm dating for sex and whatever. I really crave emotional intelligence and routine. And just being in people's aura and in uba around you, just mentally, physically, somewhat physically, emotionally, mentally. I want to be for that, for you, Leondo, and be around you for that. Sexually, I don't mind it if you want to have it. For the sake of my partner wanting to have it, I do not mind it. Sure, there will be days where I'm just like, hey, why not? Let's challenge the mood. Why not have it? Then that happens. But for the most part, I'm very indifferent to it.
Usukathandana namadoda mangaka?
Oh my God. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4.
Ha, naku kudlula.
4.
Naku kuphuma esandleni.
4, right? 4. And I'm babe with a chronicle orchard. Babo, that's a get you doing. Yes. Yeah, 4.
Oh, at least mfowethu. Bancane kunabanye abantu because abanye bathi hayi banele nje bathola lenkululeko yokuthi beyithola ukuthi bangobani bese ke umuntu enza kuze kweqe.
Kuya-understandeka nje like sikhulumile lento uthi yabona once wayithola ngathi ungalokhu ufuna ukubambelela kuleyo joy and thrill ukuthi this is me. I want to explore me for fullness of me. Nan. Yeah. And for the most part ayithi usikhulumile yala ama role ukuthi uzofika ujole uthola ukuthi ujola nale role le isikhathi eside.
Yeah.
Chik wadakwa sithi wavela wadakwa. Walala nale role le enye nenza ezinye izinto sithi no actually ngiyakuthanda lokho sofuna explore lokho ke manje sulabaphinda times 2 lapho sunenye ke inamba eceleni kwakho athi vele mina ngifike vele ngizazi ngifunani ngifuna ukwenzani so it was just na ungangibuza ngilala nento ongake sikhuluma ngenye story jola nabantu ke
oh nakho sho silapha engibheke khona
nawo ungangibuza lokho sikhuluma ngesinye story.
Okay, usulalela abantu abangani?
Body count on TV shambe. Woo, my God.
Chabalela phela lapho sekudlule kwaba u10 sekudlule kwaba u20.
Kudlulile ku10. Ngikho ngiyasho ke ngidlulile nje u10.
Kuzoze kujatshule kakhulu.
Verse phela mina. Sometimes I meet other verse people where sikwenza go2. Sometimes I meet bottom people abafuna ukwenza lokho kodwa. Top people abafuna ukwenza lokho kodwa. So vele ke mina go
versatile.
Ngicine ngithanga ngifuna ukusho sengishilo okay ha yo
okay
cala edit lokho out
ngifuna siyibuyisele emumva ngiyakhumbula ukuthi wahlalisa uanti wakho ugogo wakho uma wakho wabatshela ukuthi usufuna ukuphila impilo yakho manje. Kodwa awukazi usitshele ngosuku batshela ukuthi uhlobo luni lomuntu and wamukele kanjani emphakathini nasegcikeni.
Thank you for reminding me that one.
Yeah.
I never did. Kaze ngabahlalisa phansi and batshela ukuthi hey sengijwayele umuntu endala. Believe it or not, I have a very, 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 very close relationship nabazali bami. I've never ever on this earth ngabamute ama-statuses zami and whatever nangipostile ngise-groove ngiginqika baviwa nje ngithi nangigoge view udekuthe ngephutha ugogo futhi-ke uyagula esinye isikhathi so isandla sakhe sibuye sibambe inkwantshi ngibone i-react ngohaha ngithi ngeke ethi haha ngisebatshaleni ngiphuza sichophe nje ngephutha nje loo nto leyo. So they see ama-statuses. I think it was one time where my mother actually was and she said something about it and she was like I really don't care what lifestyle you're living or who you're dating, what you identify as. as long as you are happy, out of the blue, because I've never sat her down. I was like, oh, Nakon, I took it as she's saying it passing. I didn't even dwell on it. I was just like, sharp, you get it. Because I'm a trainer from the young age. I'm not going to explain my life to anyone other than me. The day, I think the day if I come home with whomever engizana will be the day abazo find out if they have a problem with it, bayongcina nami ngalolo suku, and then I'll fade away, honestly. So
futhi ukhetha umjolo kunabazali.
Ngiyabakhetha abazali, but I choose me more than them. I choose me more than them. I don't have a plan, whatever, but I know I will always choose me more than anything else. So angazi ngibahlalise phansi, they view babona nanan, but I've never set them pants, and I didn't feel like I had to. Angazi ngifike I really had to. I just assumed they bangibona ngikhula, bangibona kuma stages zami abahlanisa 1 and 2 okwabo lokho.
Ukhuluma ngo-aunt, ukhuluma ngogogo, ukhuluma ngomama, asimuzi umalume, asimuzi umkhulu, asimuzi ubaba. I-father figure khamba kanjani nawe?
Oh, love what I'm playing into that stereotype. Love that for me. Ubaba washona 2010. Yeah, it was in 2010. And ngazalelwe eGauteng mina. And then for the first 3 years bengihlala no mama no baba, and then afterwards they had a falling out. Ngasuswa ngawuhlala ekhaya nogogo.
Yeah.
So umama love her to bits much, but we didn't have a really good relationship with school. Honestly, she wasn't around because uthe esuka behlukana, she was still out and about. She was living her life eBheli nale, because she unale codependency that I hate. So she cannot stand without being with a man. So ngoba manje she has no man, her psyche is akahambe uthola indoda, and I really hated that. So I hated it much, but Nkula did not notice it because she was barely around. I figure nje yena izohola nyama sweetie, and I've never used to question good kaze umama usuhlala. I click it mina fangihlala nogogo, she provides to me. She's like both playing my father figure and my mother figure at the same time. So esayidini lababa bahlala eMnambithi kwaMadela nje kuseMnambithi lapho. So since kwashona ubaba, I really didn't have any other reason to go back there. So cause futhi ngahamba ngisemncane yabo ngoba sengikhulele most of isikhathi sami ePhongolo, and then ngaye boarding school, high school, bengingabazi Nkosi yami laba abantu labani, ngabazi nje. There was this one time ubaba wafika wazohlanza zonke ingane zakhe, and I was like, sibaningi kanje sigcwele itaxi phela kwazi sibaningi kanje. So I'm still in touch with some of my half siblings, abanye angibazi noba kuphi. So
uma wakhe akahlalela nensizwa.
What do you mean by that?
Umuntu othanda nje ukuthi akathanda ukudependela kumuntu wesilisa, akathanda ukuba nendoda.
Umama like mina ngithi codependence, ngithi uthanda sona isilisa, impilo yakhe ngathi ingane isilisa.
Oh, phela ngithi manje isilungu mina siyaphambana nami. Awulichazele ligama wena ubunjani?
Codependent, like codependent. She must have someone. So she has to be dependent again. She has to. So isilisa was that for yena. Akakwazi ukuhlala single. Yena nje. Singamcosha phansi sefika.
Kodwa uma umuntu ngempela kunganzima ukuthi uhlala kodwa ngaphandle komasihlekisana mfowethu.
Kahle nibo. Kanti aninayo ni life outside you. Noma akubamba 1 month uwena akakwazi. Akwazi.
Uyangena uyaphuma.
Nkosi yami. Laugh to beats manje kodwa ngikhula hayi sisayi ongenzela phansi nje. Shame. Hayi.
No, hayi. Asazi kodwa naye ngenzeka ukuthi ukhetha yena ukunokhetha abantu, njengoba nawe ushilo ukuthi ukhetha impilo yakho kunokhetha abantu. Mhlawumbe yona ndlela akwazi ukuthi aphile kahle ngayo. Ngoba nami ngeke ngikumele ungabi nawo umuntu oseduze kwami. Ngeke ngikumele mfowethu.
I'll take that.
Just ukuthi kube nomuntu nje ozokhuluma naye, uxoxe naye mfowethu, leyo nto leyo ibalekile.
Okay, I will understand that. I'll take that, Shem.
Yeah. Ngibona umunye umbuzo bengikubhalele wona la.
God.
Ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi izodla amaningi esakeni.
Phela ngi-activist abazi bakutsheni. Ngithi bakutsheni ngi-activist vele on the
Yini
side.
activist?
I speak for human rights,
Oh.
especially queer rights.
Okay, shuthi ungathi ukusikhela phezulu kancane mhlawumbe ungathini kubazali abathola abantwana abayilolu hlobo, ungathini kuwena umuntu mhlawumbe ongakaphumeli obala osayifihlile because kunabantu abaganiwe kodwa uhleli kuleyo mshado kodwa akayona le yanto leya.
Okay. Asondelani bazali, khuluma nani ke manje. Bazali, sikhuluma nani ke manje. Listen mzali, you had this child. You chose to have a child. Ekugcineni usuku ingane nayisakhula yazi wena phela. So you are duty bound by ukuthi umzele ukuthi you need to look after this child for whatever reasons. Angingadi reasons, for whatever ndlela adale ngayo, presenta ngayo, whether une Down syndrome, whether uyismash, whether nalokho, it's your duty to show affectionate love kuleyo ngane, unconditional love kuleyo ngane leyo. And abazali that abathi they don't understand it, fine, that's a valid reason but you don't understand queerness kwamanje till this present day. I understand that by majority abantu abaqueer kwabona because kumanje we're going through a very progressive change. So njengamanje mzali, if you are willing to love your child, okunye nokunye will come as it goes. Uzok inform on things that you need to know and things that they want you to do to show up for them, to support nan. Yokuthi ugxeke into that you do not understand is where most of us with nasikhula ngithi fusek liyantsha ngiyamshiya leyankanyamba nendle yakho ungcine lapho ungaphinde wangibona ngisho ukuthi ushonile ngingezi nangebhadi ngithi hey wawuyibully yami ngikhula, because abanye abazali do become our biggest bullies, our ops sikhula. Ngize ngithi as soon as nga independent ngiba grey kwa profile picture awuphinde wangibona. And that's a reality for most queer people. Abanye they come back after years, let's reconcile. Abanye noma thiwe uyashona angeke ayihluphe because you played your part. Uyiqala from a young age ingane yakho udlala indima yakho. Yes, we'll make mistakes as abazali. So most of us abazali bethu first time parenting nani, you will make mistakes. That's fine, that's understandable. But it's how you fix those issues that will count. Now for ukuthi ngimxolele wami umama for being unavailable, for being lo muntu lo that she was ngikhula. She came back and it took me a while. Ngamtshena funa ukuthi I did not like you Sisi for a long time. Ngangingakuthandi because of le ndima le nale owayidlala in my life. But now uthi sukhona, you're back here, siya reconnector. I want to learn to re-love you again. So I think our relationship has gotten better. It's not where it should be, but it's gotten a little bit better because my dynamics are kind of understandable. So I think for abazali abaningi that are growing up with our queer children, it's not about you. Whatever fantasies that you had in your head, khohla lokho leyo system leyo outdated ngisho for abantu aba straight uzokuvusela ikhaya uzokuletha akanye akwenze kodwa naye ngafuna ukwenza ingane zizoba whomever they want to be when you just need to be comfortable with the fact that my child is happy and I want to be there for ingane for leyo ngane ke coming out ile enzima kakhulu because it's not long ago where queer rights were just now starting to be seen, respected, etc. Yeka nokuthi South Africa legalize nini gay marriage 2006. I think that's where about. Ningang fact check. I think 2006 or 2009 around those two days angisana sure. But for a lot of abantu abadala who did not understand what it meant to be part of the LGBTQI community and ama pressures of bekhaya, they ended up getting married. Manje bashadile banengane what une club la eduze 58 and ungengene wesinsikhathi ubone abababa abakhulile abadala And I'm a very easy person to talk to. Shame mina nase ngihleli phansi ngiphuze utshwala ngihlala phansi ngibingelele hi how are you ayibingelele ubaba wabantu nkosami umdala futhi umdala kunami ahlala thena unengane ezu7 kwahlwa kanjani but hayi sekumanje that asathanda ukuphila impilo yakhe nje wayengafuna ukushada nani and I'm like and it's a very common story izwa abantu abadala uthi I just rediscovered who I am noma ngikhathi ngithola ukuthi kuba mina kahle. And for the sad part, that's the reality abantu abaningi because abantu besilisa I hate ukukhulumela ama rights abantu besilisa but ngizowakhulumela ke namhlanje. Abantu besilisa, God forbids, ukuthi society and culture has been unfair born for the most part of it. Okay, touching on ama rights abantu besilisa, that I feel like society has been extremely unforgiving and unfair. Sometimes it's justifiable because hate crimes and patriarchy, but sometimes unmanaged grace ukuthi men can exist outside heterosexuality. Nangisho njalo ngisho a lot of straight women banikwa lo grace because amantombazana akwazi ukubambana izandla begaxane nani and then abe straight kube fine, it's okay. Yeke umuntu osilisa, God forbids, ebamba ubra wakhe ngesandla, he's gay, he's whatever, with DL, trade, closet, onke lawo mathemu ngasho senimjikjela ngawo. It's really an unfair standard enibekela abantu besilisa. So majority of the time abantu besilisa do not speak about uthi yazi I am questioning this or I want to explore this, because there's no safe space for abantu besilisa to do that, and it's extremely unfair for them. Especially when someone could be queer, but I don't get the chance to explore it because it's not safe and no one is encouraging you to be whom you are outside of being straight. Because uba straight, we provide a workshop. Being a man is such an extreme sport in today's society, extremely. So I will say this, with the majority of the time when men have done it all, suba kiqizele imizi, osuzalile ingane nani, and you still feel unfulfilled until abanye babo rediscovers themselves. No, actually, I've been gay. Yazi ngamkhumbula isithandwa sami ngangijola naye grade 12 enoma sasitshontshana imizi nanto ebilokhu nikwenza nikhulu uthi yayimnandi lento lesasiyenza ngaleso sikhathi sengifuna ukuyenza. Then they rediscover themselves, sihlangane nabo ema-groove bekhulile bebadala, and we're like, but why didn't you do this ngesikhathi usemusha? And then asho umuntu ukuthi I didn't get the space to do it noma akekho wayengisupport, but wonke umuntu expected me to do 1, 2, 3 and 4, so I didn't get the chance to. So a lot of very grown up queer people exist, and I'll always say this: if you are a queer person and you are older and you're in the closet, please come out. If there is someone else's feelings that are involved, it's not a matter of what you are not comfortable or not what. You are wasting someone's life, someone's time. Delusion ukuthi they are in a happy relationship while you yourself are not happy. So do that other person grace. If you're not gonna do it yourself for you, do it for the other person. With no, hey, I'm actually 1, 2 and 3 and 4. No, I'm thinking of doing 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Whether we actually are whether we now or niba, we live in a relationship. Marriage is a wrong term. We platonic marriage would say shadile, but ngawaphela sikhathi sesihambile, but manje sufuna ukudiscover na whatever, you remain friends, etc. That happens, and there's no shame in that one, because queerness is such an experience for everyone that a lot of straight guys have queer experiences, gay awakening, and then they don't act on it until later in life, or some don't, some have it, some gandula. Such a weird experience. I don't know why we police it ngale extent kutai. No one's asking to be. Do you find that person attractive? Oh, should and then we move on. It's not really a struggle. It's gonna take something away from you. Because I had this one other controversial take. Straight men can have sex with other straight men or gay men and still be straight. And society ivele ime ngemcondo ithi akwazi kanjani.
Ayibaqinisile akwazi mfowethu.
No, okay, no. Mina ngitshela ukuthi njengamanje bonke labo bafo bethu abalapha ejele bonke ba gay.
mina ngeke ngaboshwa mina usho ukuthini ngami
ubuza wena ubugay nakwenziwa lokho enakwenza okwakwenziwa lapho owubona lapho
angaze ngize ngikwenze uyayikhethela
uyakhethela lapha abakwenzayo
okungenzeka phethe vele umuntu okanje
what if akasiyena nihleli lodwa nivalelene nodwa
uyayikhethela
no ngiyakubona lokho
yeah
now usuhleli lapha and gweme futhi life sentence lapha shoot how heavy ke wena hleli lapha
uyazi ukuthi emajele ukudla okudliwa khona ayivuka induku uma ukudla
angizwa mina
uyazi ukuthi uma udla ukudla lokho asejele induku ayivuki nephilisi abalifaka induku ingavuki
okay
bese ke kuthi laba basuke bepheka banabo abantu ababanikeza lokudla okungenalo lephilisi laba phela shithi abangosomaqhuzu abashaya inombolo njani uthi bona abaphaki lokudla okuphakwa yithina because mina bengiyimpatha mina ingakho nginesho ukuthi uyayikhethela lento ngangiyimpatha kodwa akekho umuntu oyengangixhaphaza ethi ufuna ukulala nami ngoba mina ngiyiphakamisa inombolo yebo lento leyo
yep awuphakamisile
mina ngiphakamisa mina
ngoba ngiyasikahle
kumele uyazi leyo ngoba igilo lapha imkhuba
lutho bafika abantu e-high school yami bazositshena ngalezo nombolo ngizazela lapho nje lezo nombolo
so wena wayibamba le
ngabamba zonke 26 nisibulalela for fun
no ama 26 maningi athanda imali
yep no drugs
imali ucwebe ngapha ilapho ke khona so manje uthi laphana ufunde primary wawukubizwa ngesitabane ngicathi manje izingane nisuke ningakahlukanisani wena wawusuzizwana ukuthi okay o unjani ungakayi understand usemncane kwakuthini kuwe uma uthuka ubizwa kanjalo
it wasn't really into ukuthi ngase ngihlukanisile ngangingane like egcina usuku I was a child I didn't know better I didn't know anything like imizwa angazi labo abakhuluma ukuthi babe bezisa benemizwa it was whatever beyingane mina I didn't have that ngoba bengingane I didn't think ukuthi hayi umjolo into engifuna ukuyenza nanani kwangafinde kumina lokho ngangiyingane nje
yini efika kuwe uma bekubiza ngesitabane
ngoba ngangisho kuwe ngoba ngishilo la kuwena I just felt numb like kwangesigama that offended me because ngangalazi ukuthi igama emele ngilithatha ukuthi libi ngaleso sikhathi ngiyingane because bengikhula phela ngithi ngivalelwe phela mina so manje lo gama nalishiwo mina ngibona ngokushintsha komuntu ebusweni lisho oh inhlamba into okay and then kwaze kuhamba isikhathi napho kumele singibuza ukuthi oh umuntu olala nabanye abantu besilisa naso sikhathi it was confusing. It was very confusing by space. Uyingane ujijelwa kulonto that you don't know what it is. Ngangivele ngishawa ukuthi ngizoma ngithi. So Sandy, how do you feel ngale gama leli? And ngiyiphendule nami ukuthi angazi because ngoba angilani nje nabantu besilisa so I don't know. Inhlamba nje but is it inhlamba? It was very confusing for me. It was extremely confusing. Ngiyangidida nje ngangiyithulela nje ngingazi how to react until late where I was getting to sexuality there engizwa indlela elisho ngalo legama shame
ayihlali
inhloso yakho kungithuka kungidelela so it's just like
uthukhula uvalelwa
yeah ngikholwa
okungenzeka le introvert othi uyiyona awuyiyona kodwa indlela okhuliswe ngayo mhlawumbe
ngiyafuna ukusho njalo but inkinga yami phela ngithi ngagcina phela ngiye boarding school so ngangihlala nabo wonke inhlobo ya type of personality types engina choice but to interact nabo on a daily so I want to say that but I think ngaba ne freedom eningi kakhulu futhi nase boarding school and confidence yami ngayithatha lapho
so wayikhwela intombazana
I've always been queer gay
awunase niphika nonke komadoda
no I've never
so bakhona nje beke belingeke belingo abangani babo because ekugcine noba ningabangani nilala ndawonye labe lesole nabaqondi
fine it happens ngisingani umzimba react so that happens ngizosho enye into ke controversial ebhekele yo yazi ngizosho enye into
kodwa into engiyazi ungabulingo intombazana
Yeah, for girly, mantombazane, or girls. Lalela, if you're a girl and you like me, hey, kuthatha kudala nangathiwa into nje ngempela engifuna ukuyenza we ma kumele ungiconvince in other aspects of you ukuthi no yazi ngenzeka lento yaphansi kwami otherwise angeke ngicabange oh hawe ma lutho but yabona ndobo dingisho ukuthi yabona the gays abakanje ngami the crop tops laba bahle laba ngathi girl intontoni
yeah
I like them. I like those men. I love them. Inhlobo zami ke lezo. But kwekwenzeke futhi nasi out. Bona lama lesbian, bagqokisa kwamajita. They do things to me.
Hey. Yiyo lento engiyibuzayo ukuthi nina ngoba ningamantombazane, why ningathathi laba abangamantombazane abangamadoda?
Wey, ayi phela into phela yosuka ingqabane ningi zosuka ematrasini uthi kahlahle sekwenziwani ke la. Sekwenziwani ke la.
Akithi bangamajita laba, ningamantombazane. Why ningathathani nodwa?
Wey phela naka lesbian world kusanama
shenanigans
ambo o touch me not. Abazazi ke boma butch, boma stats, boma femmes bazazi nabo siyazana angizile ukukhulumela on your part uyofika lesbian izonikhulumela but kuba nalezo zinto lezo so nakhona angithi khona abangafuna ukuthintwa endaweni thizeni so nathi ke mase sihleli ke matrasini ke kuzokwenziwani futhi kuzosobukani but mina phela singajola phela ngoba phela mina nocansi izinto ekanje but ke yani angikho lapho
uyafuna ukuba nezingane kusasa ngikufence yes no partner ndawo I think into oyayenza bengayithandi kudala lento yokuba gay ivele isuke ifuna ukugcina ngawe ngoba abekho abantwana bazotholakala futhi i-bloodline yakho izogcina kuwena kuzoqhubeka njengoba uwazi ukuthi mina ngizalwa umkhize ukhabazela ugcwabe kazihlandlo makuthiwa ugcwabe kazihlandlo futhi ugcwabe uzalwa uyihlandlo kanjalo kweze kwazozalwa mina it's a chain kodwa manje elizofika livaleke malifika lapha kuwena
ziningi izinto singayibuka ngayo ke leyo mina engingakubukisisa lokho ukuthi if nithi nina our human experience emhlabeni ukuhlala sikhiqiza izingane then phela akungeke kube only gay people lesbians abangeke be upheld the low living values baningi abantu besifazana abanye abangakwazi ukuba nengane sidalwa nani besisi abangakwazi ukuba nengane sidalwa that doesn't mean that their life experiences do not matter ngoba nawo phela gcina ngabe bloodline that happens ukuthi nina ngokuthi thina nibona nje leyo nto uthi hayi ibiology it akwazi ukukhiqiza ingane you never know kule society and this developing world and a lifestyle esikuyona ukuthi kuyohamba igcina iphi lokho we siqale eliminate lokho ukuthi awu uzojijika science it you never know so ugcina nosuku engakusho ngalokho ukuthi then ukukhiqiza ingane shouldn't really be the ultimate pinnacle yokuthi this is what ukuba umuntu is to be ukureproduce asikhiqiza ingane asiwa amagundwane upgrade ama-labs ukuthi umsebenzi wethu ukhiqiza ingane it's to live life enjoy life however the way that fulfills you so leyo nto angiyithathi nje serious at all I don't nawe umuntu eletha leyo nto ukuthi you can't have children umbuzo wami will always be ukuthi uzwe ngami ukuthi the goal was to have child it's not my goal banengane futhi ukuba nami ukuthi mina ngibe nengane ngokungabi ingane it doesn't impact your life at all not even in the slightest part nje angihlangene mina with your life at all wena qhubeka ibloodline yabo ndaba yokukhuzayo uzifike lapha efika khona now uzekuthiwe yami ima ngami la I mean that's my personal choice my business so kwamphela lokho ayihlangene nawe wena qhubeka your lifestyle nami qhubeka our lifestyle inkinga yami that I have with a lot of straight people ukuthi they think our lifestyle impacts them kakhulu like they were ultimate we center ngenxa yokuthi phela ipatriarchy did paint that bona they are the center of everything, but not really.
Uyabanyanya nabantu besilisa aba straight.
Oh, I don't really hate them. I have a dislike for them. I don't hate them. Yo, she's really like interviewed however this list. Oh, this list. Nothing ngiyanyanya ukuthi inkinga zethu eziningi emphakathini ngathi zisurrounde nina.
Ziqhamuka ngathi
femicide, bo homophobia. You silisa siphakathi nje phakathi nendawo of everything because ngazi banonikhulisa umhlaba wethu.
Okay, sesizogoqa manje na umbuzo wokugcina.
Yes.
Ukhuluma indaba yokuthi kunabantwana abazalwa ngabazali bese kuba yibona futhi abazali ababa yitshe emhlane enganeni. Uthothi ingane ayisakwazi ukuphila kahle impilo yayo. Igcine ithi mayikhulu ihamba ingabuye ekhaya. Ngokucabanga kwakho ngoba sengikubona lihlakaniphile ngifuna ukukusebenzisa lokuhlakanipha kwakho. Ngokucabanga kwakho awucabangi ukuthi nabazali bayalidinga ithuba lokufundiswa ba-understandiswa ngalento ngoba into le engaziwa ebingaziwa into futhi abantu abebeyifihla abayiyona iqala manje ukuthi isabalalele kanje hawu kanti lento ikhona. So awucabangi ukuthi kumele uma uyingane ezaleke ngalolu hlobo bese ke nawe uyabuya uhlala phansi uthi hey uma kwakufanele mhlawumbe react kanje noma ubaba ngoba into le angakaze weze wayibona futhi wafundiseka ngayo.
Okay. You know, there was 3 points in my head when you said yonke lento. My God. Okay. Oh yeah. 1. Hello society. Sengibuyile ngoSendi. Funa ningizwe kahle futhi. The LGBTQIA+ community sino plus ekugcineni because ngeswabe onke lama identities kuze kufika le kuzoshona le. Awavelanga avunduka out of the blue ukuthi every now and then we're discovering a sexuality, discovering an identity nan. Nikhumbule a history of LGBTQ community. We were not given no spaces, no representation, no nothing for years, decades kwasho kwacima. And kwaya ngokuya where society is progressive, kuyavotwa, same-sex marriages, the gays, the lesbians, they get to have it, bijabule. But that was not enough still. Because for the longest time, we've had queer people, baningabi, those identities have been around for ages, years, beyond, etc. Kuze kuqale ukuthi izibe negama. Which a lot of things baqala manje ukuthi swanike igama, but they've always been there. Ngifuna understand lo ukuthi we didn't just rock up Safia said hey imina lo and I'm introducing something else ngithi mina imina lo with my other siblings that have always been there. I'm not accepting ukuthi wena you tolerate just that I'm gay. That's enough. Yeah. At this time that whole debate we were asking for acceptance and love, kade yaphuma ngewind. We are demanding respect and recognition for our queer rights, for all of my siblings laba who identify whatever under the sun. It is language, it's biology, it's science. Get developer, people change. We are complex human beings. Lokho kuyenzeka. Ngokuhamba isikhathi things change. Get used to the change, move with the change or sala weda ekugcineni. Lokho ngifuna sikucacise ukuthi it's not a matter of what we are creating things out of the blue. It's always been there. It's just good mind. You guys are finally giving us the spaces, like these spaces, to come sizokhuluma our queer experiences and our stories. Kuma source. Ayilama saloon storylines enojijela kuma media ntontoni ukuthi gay person une saloon nanana. Ngazi who came up with those stereotypes. We are complex human beings, but serious with our people. 1. 2. Then when you spoke about ukuthi umzali udinga ukufundiseka, yes, bazali abaningi badinga ukufundiswa ngaso sikhathi, but ekugcineni usuku if we're going to look at the perspective of umzali, lo mzali no udinga ukufundiswa at whose expense? My expense. Ukuthi I'm being bullied by wena mzali and I might also become we bully and my op and I must also teach you food ube ungibullisha. it's unreasonable because you are bullying me egcina usuku ufana ukuthi ungitshela ukuthi angiyibully yami e high school engihlukumeza ngitshela ukuthi no engihlukumeza. This is how you become a better person.
Okay, ngiyaxolisa ukuphula ulimi. Angithi uthena izinto eziningi noyi-understandile uyifunde ngoba usula eThekwini. In as much as ukhuluzazi ukuthi ugay kodwa okuningi ukuthola lapha eThekwini neindaba zo LGBT bani izinto oyifice lapha eThekwini. Why mawucabanga wena like specifically kube wena ukuficile la eThekwini? Angithi ngoba ukuyona lempilo.
No, if ungilalele kahle my statement engisho eqaleni, there was someone ngiphuma nje straight high school who bengahlala eThekwini somewhere around being introduced kulezi zinto lezi engitshana ama-12 verse 99, and I told with mina I've always been a rebellious person that I want things, I see things through my eyes. It's just good Ever City I had a lot of space which I can do whatever I want in ngesikhathi sami. So and I decided ngesikhathi sami I'm gonna learn who Sandy is. As much as yes, we had these spaces to engage, see other queer people, openly queer people. If you stayed there, first year, I stood a very long time in a space, specifically Tegu, queer people. I did my internal work, me personally, me. Find out
ngoba iwena okulempilo why umzali kumele umbekike
because umzali egcina you are a parent, it's your role vele ukuthi to upbring ingane ukhulise ingane. Wena lokhu nje amanje okufunayo is what a lot of people, straight people abafuna LGBTI community people to do. Nifuna them to explain their life experiences to fill your mold for what?
No, ngisho mina like umzali specifically.
No, phela siya lapha impela siyakhona impela mina ngifuna ukubukisisa lokho. You are asking me ukuthi ngiqhamuke, I'm living my life, I'm still finding my life. Ngihambe ngiyo explainer you to this is my life, this is my ins and outs of my life. I don't owe you that. As much as buhlungu kanjani mzali gcina nosuku my life, you have your life. I really do not owe you that. As much as you want me to have this conversation with you, we are me now. I want to have this conversation because about a very sensitive part of my life, a very crucial part of my life. Me about my very essence that I'm not willing to share with anyone. It's not by right, but you must have your part by me. I find not decent enough to blood is not thicker than water when it comes to these situations. If you can't uphold Leo value from the get-go, which I won't understand it, or when I'm going to ostracize or kick it out to be my biggest up, then it's child mzali. Then ipela lap, honestly ipela lap. Some people, yes, about queer, they come back, maybe a bit, you did not know how to love me also, but I still crave attention, or no man, not crave attention, but have that healthy relationship now mzali. Because and I realized that no, we did not understand each other. That's fine, it's by their grace. Because now they've become so comfortable in themselves, they think to know we can build our thing. Because it didn't understand. But LGBTI community members and they are not activists. They don't come up with situation and they speak about and educate about this. They don't have to. So they don't feel the need to this is my life. And that's valid. Yeah, that's fine. But I'm not gonna advocate that. I'm queer and this is my queer experiences. It's by grace that person wants to do it. It's not a must have. If you want to be educated maningi resources mzali aswacing ngeke excuse excuse game nabazali I am the one person who do not excuse abazali for anything. Take accountability bazali. If you know your relationship with umntwana wakho is hurt, you are not the victim here. Umntwana wakho did not do anything specifically for the queer. Don't misquote for the queer experiences. You need to go back, dig, find out, did I give them the best childhood? Did I raise them well? Then and if you reach out and they're willing to now, you've done the easiest part, the hardest part to admit there's something wrong here. They don't do that. They want to go place where it is outreach out. No one's like, oh, or you felt like me creative. so I must extend an arm to you. And that's not true. Right? This respect is mutual. It's always conditional when it comes to abazali nengane. It doesn't make sense to me. So I don't hold that slightly sympathy when it comes to go back, Fundisa Mzali. Sorry Mzali, you missed out on my life, and it's that. Go by my grace, which I'm feeling remorseful. Let's come back, see Lungiseland, and talk about what it is to be queer, so you know better. But Pelangit Swikejile this ball man, hopefully for the next person ozayo, naikona sibling, utiena usuzomkhulisa wazi there is a room for LGBT. But for most part of abazali njengabami, where I was the only child, that ball is missed Swikejile. And the only thing you can do is take the experiences to your next life or wherever, because it's child. So we could see how we move forward in this dynamic, Minanai. But to raising a new queer child is crazy.
I was gave ngolimi lwenu.
Ayibonga ngivana phela nge-interview na umsebenzi wami ukukhulumela abantu bami.
But ke ngicabanga ukuthi sibamba ufisho omkhulu uma sithole wena owumuntu oyisishoshovu uthe yini
activist.
Yeah, isishoshovu ngolimi lwesizulu. Uyisishoshovu ukuthi sithole ukuthi sithole isishoshovu sabantu iliphi igama eli right wesishoshovu lokubiza ngoba manje ngihlezi kunenkinga makumele ngikhulume nani ngingazi ukuthi ngithini el right nje noma ubona wazi ukuthi uyalithanda
phela Kosamazi angeke ngitshele ukuthi likhona yini ngoba wonke umuntu rate indlela engafani amagama angafani njengolostabane I do not mind it also sure other people abanjengami and girls I do not mind
nanokuthi ulisho kanjani
nothi tshonjani futhi angivamisile futhi banenkinga noma uthi intombazane into esifazane uzolisho kabuhlungu bengithi abusisi ngoba mina nawe sihlanga asili ngalutho sibakuloso mina nawe inhlobo hayi lasho wesilisa ke ngalahleka ke phuma ke entweni yo
okay siyabonga ukuthi kufike wena njengesishoshovu sabantu be LGBT bani uzo ngicabanga ukuthi
sikulungisa usimele ulisho kahle
ikuthiwani
LGBTQIA+
zimele ukuthini lezo nhlanga
ubhizi yabiza sonke lesikhathi
yona nto phela ngayibamba
wow bokwazi uquestion nothi
akaze ngize ngiquestion
what if libiku i-acronym ukuthi sibulala amadoda
lisho ukuthini
L is for lesbian G is for gay B is for bisexual T is for transgender Q is for queer bengisho lapha mngwakho kaningi I is for intersex shout out to Caster Semenya A is for okay intersex A is for allies when double straights that support queer people
njengami
questionable
nakho nje nakho ngine lokho nakho ngine platform nje efundisa abazali lokho ukhuluma ngakho ukuthi abazali basalele
sanga editor ukuthi sasadaba isebe ngene YouTube ithi questionable ngithini A is for allies or / asexual abanye ba swapha asexual no allies and then plus is for other that esingazo ngokwanelisa
uthe uCaspanyova unjani yena
no ngithe
uCaspanyova uCaspanyova
size ungedithele outlook
uCaspanyova hey uCaster Semenya
ngokwazi kwami I could be misinformed but ngokwazi kwami uCaster Semenya was an intersex woman
yini nto leyo
umuntu that who wazalwa with incomplete noma missing parts of reproductive organs thizeni nasingathi mhlambe umuntu esifazane one uterus engaphelele noma ube umuntu esilisa ongenawo amabhola uzalwa nezinto ezishodayo so I will be fooled that person whatever so since khathi it can differ khona nalaba who can have both phelele uzalwa with both the male and the female organs so our people
njengesishoshovu kukhona nongasitholela bona mhlawumbe abangasaba ukuphumela obala abanama private part out
mama angeke that's such a very hard conversation to have with people. Komele nimcingisise nomuntu othi yena uyi-activist yaleyo nto leyo, because I doubt ukhona umuntu ongafisa uhlala phambi kwekhamera kya mina nginakho ko-2
but ekugcineni uhlelo lokuqwashisa abantu,
it's still a very topic. Anginabo mina nto oh ma yayikhona organization ye-intersex engayibona nge-Pride ungiyazi yaphelelaphi ngazi abantu bebekhona la eThekwini ngesathi sinde Durban Pride.
No cha
mana lapho since ningama-supporters ethu why singanibonanga kuma-Pride events aningani?
No phela athi sinisupport ukuthi sifuna ukulala nani kodwa siya-understand impilo eyiyona futhi ngangikhona mina kwi-Pride
yiphi yona
yayise-views
intanini leyo
le khona uyabo uma ungena kwi-NT91 TV uzoyifica iy'thombe ngiyakutshela
zikhuluma nge-Pride iphi mina ngikhuluma ama-Pride march.
Hayi sesizoba khona manje kuma-march kodwa sasihambe siye kwi-after party.
Asimdingi ma-after party simdinga we-accounts eradini la sitshengisa abantu ukuthi there's LGBT people and there's people abasupportayo ngababona nemindeni yabo nabangani babo.
Mina yazini engizonisiza ngayo mina i-platform i-platform iyona ezoba namandla nezokwazi ukufundisa abazali because abantu abaningi vele manje sebetshekele khona kwi-social media sithi sisebenzisa o-YouTube sisebenzisa o-Facebook abo-TikTok yindawo e-right lezo esizothola khona abantu abazothola ukuthi befundiseke kabanzi ngale mpilo nakho mina lapho engizonisupporta khona because ngoba ngiyenza right then ukhona umuntu ekwafika kumina onobulilo obuthu esasizomsiza akufihliwe futhi waphumela obala nje wakusho nengicabanga ukuthi nami ebantwini abagay ingqondo yashintsha lapho indlela ebengibabuka ngayo ngaqala ngathi no akukhona konke umuntu into azalwa ayazi kukhona ongakwazi njengoba nje ngangingazi ukuthi ikhona into enje mase ngiyibona ngamehla ami kwase kumele kwenzeke kanjani sekumele ke manje ngibuye nami ngizocathulisa abantu kukuyena kumuntu ukuthi uzokubuka kanjani kulokho kodwa engikwaziyo mina uyothi mayesezala ingane leso simo uyothi nayi lento ayikhulunywa kwi-NT91 TV because mina vele inhlelo zonke enginazo inhlelo eziqwashisa ngezinto ezenzeka emphakathini.
Okay, makes sense.
Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ube ingxenye yokuthi uzoqwashisa abantu nengicabanga ukuthi le episode namhlanje izoba isifundo ebantwini abaningi kukwena ukuthi uyakuthatha lokho esisho noma ngokuthatha kodwa sikwazi ikusasa laziwe maye ukuthi nje usathola ingane usathola abantwana kuyohamba kuze ukufica singakwazi ingalelo la ngako uyobona ukuthi konke lokho esikwenzayo akungoba siphanjanelwa amakhanda kodwa ingoba sifuna isizwe siqwashe kwazeke ngezinto ezenzeka emphakathini ngakho ke uma ngabe uqala ukuba ingxenye yohlelo lethu oluchungechunge cindezela usubscribe button ucindezela ibheli okuzokubeka emathubeni amahle kakhulu ukuthi makukhona esinye isiqephu engisiposayo izokenqeza ocingweni lakho uzothi uma ungena ngaphakathi uzobe ususitholela isiqephu sangalolo suku ngakho ke mina igama lami ngoprofessor Ngwakamkhize ngidabuka phansi kwaNongoma esigodini sapho umthetho sohlangothini sengqenye Stefe